Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. If I look a little distracted, it's because there's a little, I think it's called a huntsman spider. Some folks called him Daddy Longlegs, but he's right here. Built this little web right here. And it's really cool looking. I just, let him do his thing because he's not hurting me, so I'm not going to hurt him. But today on the Kit Hoarder Stash, we don't have a spider. We have something kind of cool. This is a new kit from Pig Models. It is the T1E3 U.S. Army Mine Exploder. This is going to be neat. This is going to be really fun going with my Sherman collection. And you can see decals here and some other stuff. But let's get right into this. Now, I think I will start with the decals. Decal sheet looks really nice on this, and according to the instruction sheet here, so here's the instructions for painting and for decaling, but according to the decaling part of this, you've got a tank called Aunt Jemima 1, Aunt Jemima 2. These were in Great Britain. And then you've got this one here in Belgium in January of 45. Here's one in Germany in December of 44. And here's one in Germany in 45. Okay, so I want to build one of the ones with the Aunt Jemima on it. Now, why on earth would they name this Aunt Jemima? Well, that's pretty simple, because the mine rollers, they look kind of like pancakes that were stood up. So that's kind of where they got that that nickname from. Kind of cool, huh? Let's look at the instructions on this. So we've got 8 of these. Kind of shows how it goes. The test model and the I guess the production model. Putting the holder together, getting the rollers inside there. It looks pretty simple and straightforward. Good instructions on this. And then working on the kit part where we have to attach this to the tank. It comes with all of those attachment points, which is really nice. And this little thing here in the back, I just call it a slide. I don't know what it is, but anyway. Pretty neat. And this kit comes with a bonus piece that for me is kind of what sold it. And that is, it comes with its very own, I'm going to open this up here, little Ziploc bags can be a pain in the neck, let me just say that. It comes with its own Aunt Jemima figure. Now, she's already assembled, holding a stack of pancakes. I guarantee this is going to be in a diorama, and wait till you see the idea I've got for this. But that is really, to me, that's really cool. So it's funny, we got rid of her and that Uncle Ben's guy, and we still don't have world peace. How about that? Anyway, so there is a painting on the decaling. There is a painting guide to paint her and the pancakes. Just wondering how I'm going to get that syrup. By the way, this is a 25th scale jug from the Beverly Hillbillies vehicle, whatever you want to call it, Granny's hot rod or whatever. Anyway, this came in there. Thought, man, this would be great to paint up for a big old jug of maple syrup. It's about what I would need with some good pancakes, I'll tell you. Okay, so I digress. I know we're all over the map today. Happy 4th of July to everybody. We'll start here with Sprue C. Sprue C, we've got 2 of those. You can see it's got the chain drive on it. So there's two of those. And here is Sprue B. And it looks like there is one of these. This has your guards and I just call it the holder for the 2 sets of rollers, and some other parts that go on the tank itself. So you can see those here. Okay. And then, believe it or not, everything else is pancakes. There's like 16 of these, so I'm not going to get them all out, but there's a boatload of them. And this is Sprue A, and this has got your pancakes, your cog, a few other little parts here. Let's see, there's 4, 2, 3, 4, 12. It looks like there's 16 of these total. So anyway, that's it. It's just all, assembly. So I'm looking forward to this. Now, the kit that I need to do the Aunt Jemima properly, as it was in England, is an M4A1. It has the small hatches, and it has the little, I call it a dome on the hatch, okay? But I have pictures of it, of both 1 and 2, and they both have a high bustle turret with the split hatch for the commander and a spring-loaded loader hatch. So kind of an interesting, definitely have to kit bash in order to get the correct Sherman for this. Now, I'm not sure what you would want to do for these others, and I'm not worried about it because this is the one I'm going to do right here. So I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be one of the top priorities of kits that I get to before long here. It's going to be a fun addition to my Sherman collection, and I'll tell you what, if you pick up one of these, I'm sure you're going to, number 1, be hungry for pancakes, and number 2, I think you're going to enjoy this. So we'll see how it goes when I get into the build. We will talk to y'all next week on the Kit Hoarder Stash. Thanks for joining us today, and happy 4th of July.